Stop scrolling. Did you know that jellyfish, one of the ocean's oldest creatures, have existed for over 500 million years? That's older than dinosaurs. But here's the kicker. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, or bones. So how do they navigate the seas? Well, these tentacled wonders rely on a nerve net to detect changes in their environment, letting them drift and survive. And talk about glow-up. Some species can produce their own light through bioluminescence, lighting up the dark ocean depths like nature's lanterns. Curious how they eat without a brain? Jellyfish have stinging cells called nematocysts that help capture prey, directing food to their central body for digestion. Mesmerizing and mysterious, jellyfish are a perfect blend of beauty and survival. Next time you visit an aquarium, give these brainless geniuses a moment of awe. Remember, the ocean's oldest secrets are still floating among us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more animal fun facts.